Alright, so I got a commission to make darts for this thing. So apparently these things are pretty hard to come by. There are 6 of them, 2, 4, 5, 6 in the back here. Can I help you? Okay. And then I'm also going to try and make a main dart for this cannon here. They didn't ask for that, but I think I can do it. The issue is, I don't have one to make a template off of. So, I found some images. I'll show you what I got here. So I got this one here. This is kind of what the little side cannons are, little circle ones. And then I was able to find one of the main cannon as well. Here. But again, there's no exact dimensions for this. No height on how long these should be. However, it did come with the Stormtrooper. So, looking, it goes to a little past the shoulder. So on here, little calipers, from bottom of the foot to a little past the shoulder, comes out to a total length of 181 and a half. This is a little bit taller. Yeah, 81 and a half. So that's what we're going to go off of. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this and I'll show you what's going on here. So let's grab this, copy. Now also, we don't have anything to go off of that, but if we know this total length of the small one is 81 and a half, then we can kind of determine what the long one is. Grab a screenshot of it. I'm gonna grab it, copy. We'll throw it into Photoshop. Try to make it straight as possible. You know what? I forgot something. I need to grab one of these too. So let's grab it like that. That should be enough. Copy that again. There we go. Okay. About right there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Then let's go back and grab this one again. Copy that. So that's the rough estimate. Okay, now we go here. Yep. Let's put that to about 50 probably. Transition that. Alright, so now we just make it the same size. That's pretty close. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty close. I'm happy with that. Alright. So now we know we got them in the same rough dimensions, right? So let's straighten this back out. About like that. Get rid of that. Back to 100%. Okay. So, noticing the ends are about the same, right? Length or the width of the main shaft is about the same. Should be pretty easy to reproduce. Let's grab both of them again. Let's move it back a little bit. There we go. Okay, perfect. save as. Let's see. Let's just drop it into desktop. Darts. Okay. Sure. And I think we're doing Photoshop. Close these. Okay. So now let's bring that image in. I forgot how to insert an image. Oh, it's just canvas. From computer. Desktop. Of course, it saved it at the. Did I say I hate Photoshop? I hate Photoshop. Come on. Where is it at? Save as. PNG. So hard. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, try this again. Desktop. Dart. Yep. Here. You know this isn't proportional. Okay. So, I know what we should do first. Make a sketch. So, we know the length. I can get the diameter. Back on this guy here. So again, calipers. 5mm. Try one can. Like 5.2. 5.2 again. Okay. I want to try the other side too, just in case. Yeah, 5.2. Okay. Alright, so we know the width and the length. 81.5. And then we said the other side was what, 5.2? Let's just call it an even 5. Because I'm sure there's some play. It's too far off the screen, you can't see it. 5, okay. Okay, so that's the general size of the dart. Now we can bring our image in. And then now we can kind of scale it. Sorry about that. Okay. Perfect. A little bigger. A little smaller. That's about right. Let's call it 95. Okay. 94. 94.5. How do you get smaller? 95. 94.5. Huh, 98. Am I going crazy? Why is it getting smaller? That's probably the best right there. That's almost perfect. Okay, cool. We'll take that. Is there a reason it's like transparent? Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably maybe 80. Good. Okay, cool. So now we have our image to scale-ish inside here. Alright. I really wish that was perfectly straight. We can generalize off this for the most part. Can we move this some more? Move. Just move it. I want to move it. This. I want to move this. Move this. Move this. I'm not 100% in Fusion, but I know my way around it for the most part. Edit canvas. Why can't I just move it? Dumb thing is dumb. 5. Like, how about we just do like 5? Okay. Other way. -5. 6. 7. That's pretty good. 7 degrees right there. I like that. Okay, cool. Now we're doing it. All right. The timeline. I forgot the timeline. So I'm sure the timeline is great when you understand that and you do things in the correct order, but because I made this before the canvas, if I go to edit this, the canvas disappears. Okay, I reordered it. That should do it. Can I edit this? Okay, cool. The canvas did disappear. That's great. Good job, Fusion. Not so happy. Alright. I'm just going to draw lines, I think. Here. That's pretty close. Let's... tangential. Let's call it 0. What's that do? Getting there. 2.75. 2.5. Hey, there we go. to flip it. I don't have an axis to flip it on though. It might be easier. Yeah, it'd be easier. I'm gonna draw a middle, like a straight down the middle axis. Okay. So 2.5. Yep. Straight down the middle. Okay. Just to make sure. From here to here is 2.5. Perfect. Okay. There to there. Alright, now we can just flip it. We can go here and here, and I can copy it. Move copy. I want to create a copy. I'm thinking of something. I'm thinking of this mirror. This and this. And this is the axis. There we go. Look at that. Here. This is... If I make it flat and then rotate it around the axis of this middle piece, I think that should work. I know if I just build one side in and fold it over, that should work. We can figure it out together. Here, here to here, 1.5, 1, that's it, 1.5, I'll take it. This thing is the same size throughout. Okay, so here, here, straight, about right there, but it goes down. It's not that much of a difference. We'll call it that. That's definitely wider. It needs to go here to here. It's taken at an angle, so it looks a little weird. About like that. One piece goes on. Okay. I think that's all we need. Finish. Yeah, I'm out of sketch. Okay. Don't do that. Thank you. It shouldn't matter. But I know it's gonna mess things up. It's gonna mess things up. Okay. Back up, back into sketch. Okay. Now finish. Okay. Revolve. This. Yep, and the axis is this. Oh, come on. See that? Pretty cool. Not too bad, yeah. Let's see, what do you think? Oh, here, let's rotate it. So we have top part, yep, that, and then here, along, little, that, long. I'm going, yeah. I think it looks alright. So, I think we just tell that. Okay. Oh, alright, finished. Alright, cool. Body. Alright, so we're gonna call that small dart. Jeez, what is that? I think my keyboard driver needs to be updated. It's been doing that a lot here lately. Okay, cool. So we got the big one. We got the small one. Now I need to work on the big one. Same process. Bring that back over here. Bring that back over here. Bring that back over here. Why do you hate me so? Fine. I don't like making new sketches for such simple things, but whatever. New sketch. I hit the button. New sketch. Cool. Oh, you know what? Nope. Back up. I wanted this to be straight again. Did I just bring that over? Reconfigure? Okay. I don't know. It's not that big of a deal. Close. Okay, so trying to remember what the sizes were. There's the center point. What was it? 81.5 by 5, right? Yeah, we shaved out that point too, just to give a little leeway. Yeah, I'm good. Pretty sure it's. Come back in here and make sure. $81.5. Okay, yeah, cool. It was that. QQ. So now let's rotate this again. You can't move that. You gotta do the properties. We should just treat it like an object. So probably positive this way, too? Yeah, 5. 10? Oh, hold on, 10 would be just a 1. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at that, right there. My daughter. 0.95? 0.985. 8. That's good. I like 8. Okay, cool. So that's good there. Alright, we're back over to sketch number 2. Sketch number 2. I should find the middle right there. So that's the middle. Yeah. About there. I'm gonna move this. I think I can move it, right? Can't you just... No. That's fine. It can go over a little bit. Don't matter. We're doing the same thing we did earlier. We're just gonna rotate it around. Fine. There. Oh, you know what? No, that won't work. It tapers to about right here. So from here, about like that. Then yeah, that's actually spot on. Okay. That's almost the shape we need. Here. No. I said no. Uh, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. I'll take it. They have the same. These are the same. Is there a way I can just... It's a kid's toy. I don't think the tolerances are that crazy. .2. Okay. What's this one? 1.24. Oh, jeez. Delete. Delete. .289. Let's call it 2.9. 2.9. Okay. the length again? 1, 2. Don't suppose I could get the angle off that. It's fine. 80. Okay. Did it disappear? So that's 90. It should just be 10. That should be 90. And definitely not the same taper. It doesn't have to be so precise. It's just a kid's toy, but it upsets me. This is a lot more gradual than this, isn't it? Because it stops here, and then it kind of keeps going. Alright. Okay. Let's take it down to what we think it is. Let's go here. Here. Keep it as close as possible. Okay, cool. Now here. Here. Oop. Yeah. I think we're good to go. I think so. Not a hole. Sweep. Sweep? No, not sweep. Revolve. Yeah, revolve. There, there, there. There, 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 and there. And there. And then we go axis this. And done. Pretty good. Okay. Happy with that. Now we'll make it not so harsh on these angles. Round part's fine. I closed that picture already. Let's look at it again. They are pretty flat. They do have a pretty harsh. I mean, it is rounded a little bit, but it's a pretty harsh angle. The rest of them are more gently curved. So I mean, the trigger mechanism has to bite good on that. So let's not make that too rounded. Maybe like 1.5. 1.5. 1.5 looks good. Let's go with 1.5. Okay. I don't think they're that harsh either. I should quit closing the picture. They are rounded quite a bit. I don't think it's say about there. Yeah, and we'll go there. That's good. What, 30? Okay. Yeah, look, that looks good. Okay, point 30. Sorry about that. Point 30. Okay. Those are the same. That'll be fine. On the main one, it's funny because this is the only image I was able to find. And that these might be remakes or aftermarket. That's a pretty harsh. It's pretty good.
We'll get your bone upstairs.
Oh, thank you.
Drinking water.
50. 50. So there's a reverse bevel too, which I might recreate, I suppose. 50. I think 50's alright. Maybe another 50. Okay, let's reverse bevel that one. Yeah, probably good there. No, not you. This one's flat, but that one definitely has a reverse bevel. These do too. I might try to do that as well. Well, these, I think these might be recreations. Nah. I kind of don't like it. I like these. These look more, I don't know, more better. These look more better. Okay. I like it. Safe. So now, the next fun part is getting these grooves on the main cannon. I know how I want to do it. This is going to be playing around with. I'm sure there's some fusion expert that knows how to do this in like 30 seconds, but it's going to take me about 10 minutes. The cylinder, rounded cylinder. We're going to use this again. What's the general size of this? Okay, I can work on that. So the general size is from the tip to the bottom of that. Alright, cool. Cool. So, it's about this long. Go from, probably sketch would be easier. From here, here to here. 14.25. Okay. New sketch. How wide is it? Let's go and do this now. 1425. Just trying to eyeball it. Half, you think? We're gonna call it half. So if the whole thing is 2.5, so what's half of 2.5? Can't you do math on this? 2.5 divided by 2. No. The length is good. Dang it. 14.25. That's what it was. It is now. 2.5 divided by 2. Yeah. 1.25. Of course. I've got a degree. Okay. Should be too easy though. There. Really? Why can't you? 1.25. The last one was. Here to here. 0.6. 2. 5. Good enough. 625. Why are you out there? Boy. 0.625. That's what I thought. 65. Delete. Point 625. Cool. Finish. Here. Here. I should be able to use this axis. Revolve. What's the red axis? Not the damn lines. Oh my god. X. Okay. So that has to be Y then, right? X. It's X. What? I'm trying to back up, you. Thank you. You. Revolve around X. I don't get it. Okay, how about just like... I don't get it. I mean, I kind of get it. That's why I have that center line. Oh, okay, fine, you win. Things are too easy, you gotta make it harder. It's okay, I get it. If it was easy, we'd all be doing it. Revolve. here. Clown shoe is clown shoe. Okay. So we're using this as a cutout. That seems small though, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, I see the red message already. Like, no, you can't do that. That's scary. I don't like scary. This is it. I can just grab the object and move it and then rotate it and tell it to like cut. But I figured there'd be an easier solution. Maybe not. Why is that shadow moving? Okay. Mess with my head. .5. Cool thing about it being a round object, it doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle. So now we just do a, oh heck, I think it is pattern, a round pattern. You are my body, and my target axis is on the sketch plane. That one. Oh, that don't look right. No, that's right. I want 4 of them. Yeah. If you rotate it, it'll be, you know, cross section right now. But right now it's kind of like that. We can even kick it up if we wanted. We have like 6. But from the looks of this picture, it looks like 4. 1 on each quadrant, right? So we'll try to keep it as original as possible. Does that look right? Should probably come back more. Let's cancel. Move. Again, we can kind of like abstract what we think it is by like the size, like maybe like this plus half, but this is not like a perfect recreation. 2.5. perfect recreation, I'd just buy one of these and major it for real. But my client don't have a real one. Okay. Alright. That's good. Okay. So, rotate again. Same idea. We're rotating that across this. No, it's a body. We're taking this body around this axis. Doing it 4 times. Okay. Large dart. Okay, now we're going to combine, and we're cutting. The tool bodies are this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm gonna keep it. There we go. There's cutouts. Look about right. I can cant this, can't I? Throw the way you could rotate on the outside. Whatever. You get the idea. It's about like that. Yeah. Happy with that. Okay. Well, easy part's done. Now I gotta print it. So, save. Yep. Okay. So let's go ahead and export SVG, or no, SCL. Desktop. Well, yeah, I guess desktop work. Any day now, computer. I know, this like 1.5 meg file is so massive, so big. It's 2.33 kilobytes. You crack me up. Alright, this was the small dart? Large dart. That was a small, no. Yeah, that was a small dart. Okay, let's rename that small dart. Small dart, okay. And then flip it. Save it. Sure. And export it. Call it large dart. Save button. Oh no. Well, it's probably gonna be the same size. Well, no. It'd be a little bit bigger. File size. Let's take a bet. It just popped up. 300 kilobytes. And the size is, 266. Alright. Cool. Done. Alright. So, let's open up Our slicer. And watch it crash as I drag it towards the other screen. There we go. Open button. Small dart. Open button. Big dart. So, with this being a test print, we're not going to print all of them. And we just print one of each for now, and then if they fit, then I can print out the other 5. Yeah, 5. Okay. Yeah, we should probably cant that a little bit. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Nothing crazy. Oh, come on. I guess if I rotate it the other way. Can you quit acting up? What are you doing? Rotate. Okay. That's pretty good. We'll have to, yeah, grab that, because that's going to cut off. Okay, no, that's pretty good. That's 8 degrees. No, 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 no. 8. Yeah. So it's gonna, yeah, it's gonna grab that. It's gonna grab that too. Okay, this should be fine though. Alright. Probably do at least a few medium. I think we can get away with the light. Okay. So eventually they can start holding more weight. It's not gonna be that heavy though. It's not that big of a print. Here, yep, here. That's a bit much. Do 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 do. This would be the farthest part. Yeah. This part will already be printed though. It's printing from this direction. Yeah, that's good. This one doesn't really need to be. How much? Just say if we slice right now, 20 cents. Yeah. I don't really think. Probably going through the BS of hollowing this thing out or not. Then suction and all that. It's gonna stay hot. It's gonna stay solid. I'm only printing one, so if I was printing out a few hundred, sure, maybe a little different. Really? That should be fine. I don't see that being an actual issue. It is an overhang, but not by. Really? Of course you can't go back. A little red, not bad. Okay, cool. We'll keep that. It's got a lot more mass to it. Love doing supports. That looks fine. Yeah. We'll see what happens. Yep. Looks like a thing. Okay. Yep. Looks like a thing. Save button. Okay, let's go drop it with the other prints. Oh, where are they all at? Okay. Darts. Save. Okay. And now we need to slice it. 26 pennies. Oh my god, that's so expensive. Save button. Dart. Save button. Okay. There we go. Well, we'll print it and see what happens. Okay, so 3 hours, 30 minutes later, we are done. I have little dart. Good, it's more like that. I have big dart. So I haven't tested them out yet. They print out pretty good. A little flexy. I'm using ABS light. So let's see if they fit. Alright. Yeah, I guess we'll try the big dart first. So, well, it fits. That's good. A little. It's not really. It's snug, but there's enough like play. It's not getting stuck or bound up in there. Oh, it clicked. Okay. Well, button. Let's see if it works. And fire. Hey! Oh, I should not shoot my screen. That's probably a bad idea. Okay. Well, that works. So small dart. Right here. It clicks in. Let's not shoot the screen this time. Microphone. Take that. That's got a little more springy into it. Okay. Well, cool. So Now I need to print 5 more of them. Where'd they go? Yeah, we'll find them in. Okay, see you in another 3 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, so we're back a few hours later. It took a little bit longer than expected, but we are done. You can see here we have a full working set of the darts, front and back. Overall, it worked pretty well. They all fit, they all shoot. It's pretty functional. I wasn't too sure how it was all going to happen, but yeah, it's a little bit easier than expected. I'll show you a better picture here. So here's the image I took just a little bit ago, and yeah, it looks pretty close to the original. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. So here's a picture of the actual box, and our duplicate is pretty spot on. That's the general size and shape. Now the original is like a dark blackish silver. It looks almost about the same color as this here. I don't really think I can reproduce that in my printer, but yeah, the client is happy in black, so if they're happy, I'm happy. Alright, well, there you go. How to reproduce from an image all the way up to a 3D print. So yeah, hope you liked this video. If you do, please come back for more. I think there will be a few more things on this I can probably fix for our client. And yeah, if so, if you like this type of content, please come back. Thank you for watching.